we are assembling here. JFTU has given a call to you. Assemble today, strike tomorrow. What for? Everybody knows it. Yesterday on the floor of Parliament, Jibna Act has been amended. For what? On 29th July, Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman placed the bill to amend Jibna Act. Some of the classes they want to amend. There was halla-gulla in the Parliament. Oppositions, parties, they have raised their voice. Don't do that. Don't do that. They said it is nothing but privatization of general insurance industry. The reply of Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman was, no, it is not so. I could not find anything like that. It is not privatization of general insurance industry. The same word she has uttered on the floor of Parliament. She has totally misguided the Parliament. All the parliamentarians she has misguided. Why? What the clause she wants to amend? Section 10B they want to amend. What it says? As of now, not as of yesterday, just on the day of 29th, on the day, that Jibna Act says the public sector general insurance companies can hold up to 51% of the shares with the government. What the amendment they asked for that? Even the government has to be permitted to reduce that 51% to less than that. What is the meaning of that? Any public sector insurance, if you want to call, or any public sector undertakings or government institutions, 100% shares, if it is in the hands of government, we are calling totally a government. Or up to at least 51% of the shares should be with the government. So that means even if it is 50-50, that means we cannot call it as a government, because both are having, even the private and the public sector are having equal participation in that. That is the meaning. Am I right, comrade? Yes. Today, what they have asked for? To reduce it less than 50%. That means what? It is nothing but privatization. But how bold enough to affirm, announcing on the floor of Parliament, misleading all the MPs, no, it is not privatization. How much audacity this government is having. This government is NDA government. Everybody knows it. What is the meaning of that NDA? National Democratic Alliance. It is not so. The new name has been now carved in. No data available government. Today, the total number of people died due to shortage of oxygen. How many number? We do not have any data. In Parliament they are announcing. For the past 10 years, how much black money is parked in Swiss banks? We do not know. Whereas the same Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, has come to power stating that we are going to take away all the black money from the Swiss, and I will see within 6 months, everybody will be getting 15 lakhs in your bank account. Till date I am searching in my bank account, nothing has come. So today when it is being asked on the floor of Parliament, the same government says, we do not have any data over how in the last 10 years, how many black money has been parked in Swiss bank. How many karmacharis died during this period when they are doing work in the roads? No data available. Migration workers, how many have died? How many migration workers are there? We do not have any data. For more than 8 months, our farmers are agitating in Delhi nearby. The Prime Minister is not having any time to go and tell them that we will consider something. He is ready to come to Hyderabad, Calcutta, everywhere he will go for canvassing vote. But nearby, he does not want to go. Number of farmers have died. In the floor of Parliament, they are asking how many number of farmers have died during this, because of this, during that agitation also. No data. So this government, we can name newly not National Democratic Alliance, no data available government now today in the government. This is shame on the part of the government, comrade. Because of that only, that audacity they are having, even BJP, absolutely they are having 303 MPs. Even leave alone their other allies, they can pass any bill they bring it. They bulldoze everything. What the message she has given in that? To bring public participation in where? In public sector insurance companies. Public participation means today whatever the amount of capital invested in the public sectors of the government money is whose money? We have paid taxes. Today we know that what is the rate of per liter petrol and diesel? Hardly 30 to 40 rupees we have to get per liter. Today we are taking it is from 102, 105 rupees. That much tax we are paying to the government. So whatever the investment is being made in the public sector is not the government money, it is the public money. So where is the need again to ask some more private people to come and invest it there? Already public is a partner of that. But this government, this FM has given on the floor of parliament the indication what for we are asking this amendment to the Jibna Act for bringing public participation, Indian citizens participation, common people's participation. Everybody knows it. When New India shares have been disinvested, when GIC shares have been disinvested, what has happened? Per share value is between 800 to 900 rupees. Which common man will buy that shares? He is not having even 100 to 200 rupees to have two square meals he could not have. That is the situation. Whether a common man can buy the shares of this public sector institution, who will buy then? The government's own friends. There are only 2 or 3 friends to the government. Either Adani, they will give all airport and ports. They will give to them. Okay, you take it. Whether you are having any past experience, whether you administer this airport or not, we do not bother. Because you are my friend. We will hand it over to you. Maintenance of airport, you take it. Like that, Ambanis, they will do nothing. For them also, they will hand over all the public sector. This is the situation. So they are saying to see that common people's participation in our public sector general insurance company, they sought this amendment to Jibna Act. And then she says, for retail participation, for faster growth in general insurance industry. Have we not given a good business to the government? Today, what is the statistics says? As per our financial balance sheet of all the companies, for the last financial year, all the 4 companies put together, they have performed the business, gross direct product, up to 72,000 crore of premium we have procured. What is the investment we have done? All the 4 companies put together, 1.5 lakh crore investment. Where? In the government bonds, in the government securities, in the infrastructure, whatever the roads and other things for the infrastructure, in that schemes, government schemes, we have invested 1.5 lakh crore. Is it not the performance of the public sector institution company? 55,000 crore of claim we have settled all the 4 companies together in the last financial year. Is it not our performance? How bold enough this FM says on the floor of parliament, it is the public sector institutions are not performing well. Yes, they will again say, because this government is non-data available government. But we are having data. Our 4 companies have issued the financial balance sheet. In spite of that, they do not want to bring it to floor of parliament. But they asked, yes, it has to be amended. Finally today, that is on yesterday, that bill has been amended. People were saying, today we are holding in front of United India this demonstration throughout India. There were messages in the newspaper. the first target is going to be United India. Don't think there is no such message available with anybody. Even government has not so far said we are going to do only United India. By amending this Jibna Act, the government has taken omnibus provision again to privatize. Today one company, either X or all, out of 4 one. Don't think it is United India or national or something. Today we have taken United India because normally alphabetically either from top to bottom or bottom to top. Like that we have to go, isn't it? To decide which one. If it is from top to bottom means New India as a national, or from bottom to top means United India is coming first, down below in the alphabetical. So in that way, United India is chosen today throughout India that we have to go for demonstration in United India. This is the situation. Don't think otherwise. United Indians, don't be panic. Unions are here. Joint forum is here. Whether today they are trying to weaken or privatize one of the company, tomorrow the next one, day after tomorrow the next one, their decision is throw away all public sector institutions, demolish the public sector institutions, and finally only private should be there. It is their Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat means self-reliance. Yes, when you are giving it to private, they will immediately take the foreign direct capital into that. What is foreign direct capital? How you can call when you are taking foreign direct capital in your company? How you can call your Atmanirbhar Bharat self-reliant? Can we call it as? No. So this government is not ready to listen to anybody. Somehow now, because of their muscle power, since they are having more number of MPs, they have amended this Jibna Act. What we have to do now? By amending, immediately they cannot go for immediate privatization of the companies. There are so many procedures are there. That is the reason. After amending, some of the people have asked, before amendment we should go for strike.